Hello everyone, I'm coloring this pale yellow strand with IGORA Royal by Schwarzkopf 95-22 mixed equally with 95-1, so half-half, mixed with 10 volume IGORA Royal by Schwarzkopf Developer, and leave it for about 25 to 30 minutes to create a beautiful silver shade. Make sure you saturate the hair strand very well with the color for an even toning and transferring to the silver shade, and leave it for 30 minutes. Now, after we created the silver, we need to do low light by using IGORA 6-12 with 10 volume and create some low light strands in my silver strands, and leave it for about 20 minutes as well. Now we get to the end results. The strand is extremely beautiful. It has a salt and pepper shades. It's a strong, shiny, and has beautiful 2 shades of a salt and pepper. You can use this formula to create this beautiful salt and pepper at your salon.